Welcome to our video on the best rice cookers for large families. We'll showcase top models that simplify meal prep. Check the description box for product links and more. Stay tuned for an exclusive tip on picking the perfect cooker for your needs. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the GoveeLife Smart Rice Cooker. The Govee Smart Rice Cooker is a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. This innovative device not only cooks delicious rice, but also offers a range of smart features that make meal preparation a breeze. With its sleek design and advanced functionality, the Govee Smart Rice Cooker is the ultimate cooking companion for modern households. Smart connectivity. The Govee Smart Rice Cooker is its seamless integration with smart home technology. Through the Govee app, users can control and monitor the cooking process right from their smartphones. This allows for remote start and monitoring, ensuring your rice is cooked to perfection even when you're away from the kitchen. Multiple cooking functions. This rice cooker is not just a one-trick pony. It offers a variety of cooking functions, including options for white rice, brown rice, porridge, and even steaming. The intuitive control panel and digital display make it easy to select the perfect setting for your culinary needs, whether you're preparing a quick weeknight meal or hosting a dinner party. Modern design. The Govee Smart Rice Cooker boasts a sleek and contemporary design that will seamlessly integrate into any modern kitchen. The stainless steel exterior and tempered glass lid give it a premium look and feel, while the compact size ensures it won't take up too much valuable counter space. Why it's great. The Govee Smart Rice Cooker is the ultimate kitchen companion for those who value convenience, versatility, and smart technology. With its user-friendly features, multiple cooking functions, and stylish design, this rice cooker is a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their cooking experience. At number 4 is the Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker is a versatile and budget-friendly appliance that delivers exceptional results in the kitchen. With its generous capacity, multifunctional capabilities, and convenient features, this rice cooker is a game-changer for busy families. 8-cup cooked capacity. The Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker boasts an impressive 8-cup cooked capacity, making it an ideal choice for larger households or meal prep. This generous size ensures you can easily accommodate the needs of your family. Multifunctional cooking. This rice cooker goes beyond just cooking rice. It offers a range of versatile functions, allowing you to prepare a variety of grains, soups, stews, and even steam vegetables. The multi-purpose capabilities make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. 15-hour delay timer. One of the standout features of the Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker is the 15-hour delay timer. This convenient function allows you to plan your meals in advance, ensuring your rice or other dishes are ready when you need them, without the hassle of last-minute preparation. Why it's great. For families on a budget, the Aroma Housewares 8-Cup Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. Its affordable price, combined with its generous capacity and multifunctional capabilities, make it a practical and reliable addition to the modern kitchen. At number 3 at our list is the Zojirushi 10-Cup Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi 10-Cup Rice Cooker is a premium appliance that elevates the art of rice cooking. With its advanced induction heating technology, multiple cooking settings, and generous capacity, this rice cooker is a must-have for the discerning home chef. 10-cup capacity. The Zojirushi 10-Cup Rice Cooker boasts an impressive 10-cup capacity, making it an ideal choice for larger families or those who enjoy meal prepping. This generous size ensures you can easily accommodate the needs of your household. Induction heating technology. At the heart of this rice cooker is Zojirushi's advanced induction heating technology. This innovative system provides precise temperature control, ensuring your rice is cooked to perfection every time. The induction heating delivers even heat distribution, resulting in fluffy, evenly cooked grains. Multiple cooking settings. The Zojirushi 10-cup rice cooker offers a range of cooking settings, allowing you to prepare a variety of rice types, including white, brown, and even sushi rice. The intuitive controls make it easy to select the perfect setting for your culinary needs. Why it's great. The Zojirushi 10-cup rice cooker is a true investment for the home chef who demands excellence. Its advanced induction heating technology, generous capacity, and versatile cooking settings make it a standout appliance in the kitchen. At number 2 is the Tiger Corporation 10-cup rice cooker. The Tiger Corporation 10-cup rice cooker is a high-quality appliance that delivers exceptional results for a variety of rice dishes. With its induction heating system, multiple cooking functions, and generous capacity, this rice cooker is a versatile addition to any kitchen. 10-cup capacity. One of the standout features of the Tiger 10-cup rice cooker is its generous 10-cup cooked capacity. This makes it an excellent choice for larger families or those who enjoy entertaining. The spacious interior allows you to easily prepare enough rice for a crowd without having to cook in multiple batches. Induction heating. The rice cooker's induction heating system is a game changer. By using electromagnetic energy to heat the inner pot, the induction technology ensures even and precise cooking. This results in perfectly cooked rice, with each grain fluffy and evenly done. Multiple functions. In addition to its core rice cooking capabilities, the Tiger 10-cup rice cooker offers multiple functions for versatile meal preparation. These include settings for white rice, brown rice, porridge, and even slow cooking. This allows you to use the appliance for a wide range of dishes beyond just rice. Why it's great. For those in the market for a high-quality, feature-rich rice cooker, the Tiger Corporation 10-cup rice cooker is an excellent choice. Its impressive capacity, induction heating, and diverse cooking functions make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. At number 1 is the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is a game changer for home cooks who want consistently delicious, perfectly cooked rice. With its advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology and 10-cup capacity, this rice cooker delivers exceptional results time and time again. 10-cup capacity. One of the standout features of the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy is its generous 10-cup capacity. This makes it an ideal choice for larger families or those who like to meal prep and have rice on hand. The spacious interior allows you to cook enough rice for the whole household in one batch. Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. At the heart of this rice cooker's performance is its Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. This innovative system automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature to ensure optimal results, no matter what type of rice you're preparing. Multiple cooking functions. In addition to its core rice cooking capabilities, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy offers a range of versatile functions. You can use it to steam vegetables, make porridge, and even bake cakes. This added functionality makes it a true multi-purpose appliance for your kitchen. Why it's great. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy consistently produces perfectly fluffy, delicious rice every time. Its advanced technology and 10-cup capacity make it a top choice for households with diverse rice preferences or larger families. The added versatility of its multiple cooking functions further solidifies its status as a must-have kitchen appliance. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker as our best value option and the Zojirushi 10-cup rice cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. A high-capacity rice cooker is essential for large families, offering convenience and efficiency in meal preparation. These cookers ensure perfectly cooked rice and other grains, saving time and reducing kitchen hassle. Choose a model that meets your family's needs for reliable, consistent results.